Okay, welcome once again to the channel. Now in today's tutorial we are going to use a different tool called ellipse. We are going to use ellipse to create this beautiful design over here in 2D. It's very simple, but you need to pay attention. Okay, so ellipse is using axis, major and minor axis. So this is our major axis and then our minor axis. Now you can see the distance of the major axis is 162 mm, okay, and the minor one you can see over here 82 mm. So we are going to draw it with a radius. We are going to draw it with this radius 41, then 81. Okay, so let's open our AutoCAD and start drawing. Okay, so we open our AutoCAD. Now this is where you can find the ellipse. It's under the drawing tools. So you click here, then you go to center. So we click anywhere. Now we are drawing first on the minor axis, so we go up. Now what is our radius? Here is 82, so half of it will be 41. So you go up, make sure it's straight, you go up 41 and then you press enter. Now you see, now stretch it this way for the major axis, which will be 81, and enter 81. Now you press enter. Now you can zoom out and see this is our ellipse created. Good. Now there's an offset of 9, so let's offset. Click on your offset and then offset distance, enter 9. You press enter. Now select this ellipse and bring it inward, and you press escape to go out. Good. Now this you can see some line, this 2 slots here, and here. Okay, now from the center to this side is 76, so 76 by 2 is giving us 38. So we are going to draw this circle with radius of 13 from the center here to this side, which is 38. So choose circle, and then this is the center. Bring your mouse cursor here and then track it, send it right, don't click, and then enter 38. Good. And then the radius of the circle is 13, so you enter 13 for the radius of the circle. That's it. And now you can see there's an inner one, also radius of 7. So circle, click again, radius of 7, you press enter. Now you can see the inner one is having another one here with distance of 8. So you copy this one. If you like, you can leave it, later you do it, or you can copy it. Let's copy, click anywhere and move it to your right, 8. You press enter, and that's it. Alright, so let's add our line and to be complete. So click the quadrant here to this side. Now at this point you can mirror the line if you want, or you can draw it again. Mirror, select none. Okay, so let's trim this side off. Okay, so now let's draw a line from this quadrant touching this one. Okay, and let's mirror it. So mirror, we select none. Okay, let's trim the unwanted line. So we trim this one, and this one as well. Good. Now there's a fillet here. Check the fillet dimension, radius is 4. So fillet radius of 4. Let's fillet it. Select this line, select this line, enter again, select this line, select this line. Now let's trim this line, we don't need it, so let's delete it. Good. Now you can select all let's select all these lines we created here and mirror it to the right side. Okay, and select no. Now let's trim this line. Okay, it seems this line is not, so you can actually delete this one. Let's delete it and then extend the line to meet this one, and then apply our fillet again, radius 4. Good. So this is the work. This is what you are supposed to do, and it's neatly done. You can increase your line width from this place. You can see, you can even add your dimension. Let's add the dimension. So I'll create a layer for that. I always like doing that so that they'll all be on a different and separate layer. Anytime you want to change it, I'll change the color to, let's say, red, and then I'm going to change the line width from default to 0.2. That is okay for me, so I'll close it. And okay, so let's select the linear. Let's select the layer first. Select this one, select the linear from this end to end, bring it down here, 168, linear again, top to down, 82. Now radius of this 13, radius of this again 7. Now let's deal with the linear distance from this side to this side. It's actually 8. Yeah, and then the center to center, this side to this side, it's actually 76. All right, and then our last thing to do, radius of this side is 4. Okay, so this is what was expected of us. Now the dimensions look very small, so let's make it a little bit bigger. Go to manage dimension style and go to modify, text and arrow, and make it like 5.5, and go to the text also, make it 5.5. okay, to be a little bit, see. So this is our work, and thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this in AutoCAD. If you have any question, put it in the comment section and I'm going to attend to your question. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.